Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take fish oil capsules and multivitamins step by step. Before you begin any new supplement routine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Always read the product label for specific dosage instructions, as these can vary. Taking your supplements with a meal can often improve absorption and help prevent any potential stomach discomfort. For optimal absorption, take your fish oil capsules with a meal that includes some dietary fat. This helps your body utilize the beneficial omega-3 fatty acids more effectively. A common recommendation for daily intake is between 250 and 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. To keep your fish oil fresh and potent, store it in a cool, dark place, or even in the refrigerator. When taking your multivitamin, it is generally best to do so with food. This can significantly reduce the chance of stomach upset or nausea, and also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Be mindful not to take your multivitamin with calcium-rich foods or drinks, as calcium can interfere with iron absorption. Look for a multivitamin that offers 100% of the daily value for most key nutrients. Consistency is key when it comes to supplements. Try to take your fish oil and multivitamin at the same time each day to establish a routine and maximize their benefits. Proper storage is also crucial. Always keep your supplements in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and humidity. Remember to check expiration dates regularly and discard any expired products to ensure you are always taking potent and safe supplements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.